Violet Santa Cruz! Ang cute-cute mo!
Oo
Pinapanood
nga.
kita sa monitor. I'm staring at your face. You're so cute. Para siyang si Isabel Granada.
Oo nga. Ibang oras.
Parang hindi mo kilala yun. Oo, parehas silang mata yung parang pakpak ng...
Tantalizing. Ganon.
Yes. Oo.
Ilang
Your
taon ka
eyes-
na, Violet?
I'm 17 years old.
Ay, 17!
Ay, kaya
I know
pala.
it's not obvious with my height. I'm sorry.
But it's okay. Even though you're small, but your voice is so huge.
Right!
Diba?
Nung nakita ko siya nagpa-perform kanina, confident siya na
Yes.
kumakanta, di ba? Ngayon, ito kaya mga inampalan, confident din kaya ang mga may bibigay nila ng mga litanya
Eto,
today.
Kumapit ka, nakikita ko, hindi talaga sila lumilingon sa iba, sa kanya lang nakatingin.
Ayun, inampalan.
Yes.
Hi, Violet.
Hi.
Ganun eh. Pag social daw, walang T, di ba? Okay, pero sige.
English, please.
Seryoso na.
English.
Why?
Maitatawid mo yan, I believe in you.
I'm Chino, you know. Ni hao? Hindi.
Ni hao.
Okay, Violet, gusto ko yung diction, gusto ko yung dynamics. Parang hindi ka nag-e-effort na maging malambing. Talagang ganun ka kumanta. Very effortless kang pakinggan. Siguro, medyo naghahanap lang ako ng build-up. Dun sa last chorus, dun sa last verse, parang it felt like all throughout the song, medyo kinulang sa climactic part. So yun lang, you either find a way sa pagkanta, mas ibibirit mo siya, or mas i-act out mo lang siya para mas magmukha lang may build-up yung performance mo. Pero other than that, wala na ako ibang napansin. Nag-enjoy ako sa performance mo. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Sir Renz? Ay, nagbi-review na.
Violet, so far, your interpretation of this song is almost like the original, okay? Olivia Newton-John.
Yay!
Kuhang-kuha. Even the emotion, even the way you have a special technique in singing. I usually call it ire, meaning
Ano pong English ng ire?
Ito,
it's actually a cracking sound when you do that often.
Vocal fry, parang
Kuya, alam ko na yung ire.
Ano?
When you do the labor sound.
ibang ire yan.
Iba yun.
Ire.
Kasi yun yung sinabi sa akin ng aking mentor noon, yung technique na ire. Now, yung in English,
Vocal fry.
Ay,
Parang
vocal
ganon.
fry.
Fry.
vocal fry. Yun. Anong flavor? Barbecue?
Fries
Cheese po,
yun!
cheese. Cheese.
Fries yun!
Okay. Yun. I think you should concentrate on these two parts in the song. When you did the ad-lib of aside, be careful with that. Kasi usually, when you do ad-libs, you have to sing it exactly in the scale. Okay? Meaning, pag nag-adlib ka, eksakto dapat. Okay? Dito, medyo hindi nasa full. It was not really exact. So, you should practice it. If you want to learn how to do it, call Daryl. Okay? He's an expert in that part. And the last ooh. Maybe you kind of relaxed because it was the last part. Don't. Always be alert in singing because if you lay down and yung kung parang binitawan mo na lang, there's a tendency that you will not hit the note. Okay? But the whole performance was very good.
Very good. Narinig mo yun.
Grabe, no?
Oo,
Lahat ng explanation, English.
Eto na. Alamin na natin kung ilang stars ang ibinigay ng inampalan.
Violet, here are my stars for you.
3 stars.
Violet, stars. Here.
Hindi mo ba narinig? Sabi ko 3 stars. Three stars.
Maraming salamat mga inampalan. Malalaman natin mamaya kung ilang stars ang ibinigay sa iyo ni Inampalang Renz. Ang susunod nating kalahok, ang businessman mula sa Cavite, J.R. Garcia.
Tik Tropa! Pinanood mo hanggang sa dulo itong video na to? Very good ka! For more happy time, watch more TikTok Clock videos on our official social media pages and subscribe to GMA Network official YouTube channel.